Here we're going to look at triad number 4 from section 2.6, quadratic formula, and we're going to be interpreting the discriminant. So triad 4 asks, according to the model of Rachel's serve, will the ball reach a height of 3 meters? So this is referencing back to the example that we did in the previous video. And they're telling us Rachel's about to serve a tennis ball, strip it to the air, the height, and all that. But they give us the equation or the function that h of t is equal to negative 5t squared plus 5t plus 2. And what they want to know is, will it reach a height of 3 meters? So I can replace this left side with a 3. And now I have an equation that I can work out and determine whether this will ever be a true, whether the solutions will be real solutions. All right, remember, we're looking, if this is a possibility, we need real solutions. And to determine whether we have non-real or real solutions, we use the discriminant. So all I care about in this problem is b squared minus 4ac. If this comes out to be a positive number, that means I have two solutions to my problem. All right, two real solutions, which is what I'm looking for. If I have a discriminant of 0, then there's one real solution, which means, again, this works once. I have a real solution. And if the discriminant comes out to be negative, then that means my solutions are non-real, which are not, again, they're not really real. They can't apply to this specific scenario. Okay, so then in that case, the ball would not reach a height of 3 meters. But anyway, let's solve this. Remember, before doing anything, that your equation has to be equal to 0. So I'm going to wind up with negative 5t squared plus 5t minus 1. A is equal to negative 5, B is equal to 5, and C is equal to negative 1. So I would have 5 squared minus 4 times negative 5 times negative 1. 25, or 5 squared is 25. And then negative 4 times negative 5 times negative 1, that's going to be a negative. 4 times 5 is 20, 20 times 1, 20. So 25 minus 20 is 5. Now, since that is a positive number that is greater than 0, that means I have two real solutions. Now, I don't know exactly what those solutions are, but I know that they are real numbers, which means that the ball will reach a height of 3 meters, and it's actually going to reach that height twice. So when this ball goes on its little arc, there's, let's say 3 is here. It's going to meet it once here, and then once here. So according to the model of Rachel's serve, will the ball reach a height of 3 meters? Yes, it will reach 3 meters twice. That's it. That's your solution. Or that's your answer. I guess it's not really a solution. But for problems like this, you're using the discriminant. Just make sure that your equation is set equal to 0, and then your height is whatever they're asking. In the case of the example, it was 4 meters, so that's why we plugged that 4 in here. And then in this triad problem, the height they were asking for was 3, so we plugged in a 3.